We do not often talk about loneliness as a health problem, but there's a new study out now from the health insurance company Cigna that shows loneliness, especially among young people, is as dangerous as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. At least a third of the participants in this survey said that they experience feelings associated with loneliness, but that number goes up when we're talking only about young adults between the ages of 18 and 22. 7 Eyewitness News reporter Christy Maria tonight looks into what's behind this alarming trend.
Phones do make it easier, but people have become reliant. They've become dependent on phones.
On a nice day, you can find UB students walking around campus with phones out or within reach. And while those devices have become the preferred means of keeping in touch, some friends prefer talking the old-fashioned way, face-to-face.
I'd like to talk a lot of trash, so I would rather do that face-to-face than do it over text.
But a new study finds young Americans addicted to their phones can actually be putting their health at risk. Loneliness brings with it a 29% greater chance of death. That's higher than obesity and enough to be considered an epidemic.
If you're constantly on your screen, you're kind of superficially interacting with others, but you're not having meaningful interactions, that's probably a negative consequence.
UB Vice Chair of Psychiatry Michael Cummings says it's become a serious public health issue.
If you are emotionally not at your best, whether it's because of loneliness, depression, anxiety, there are thousands of studies that show direct health-related negative effects based on that.
And all this can come back to young people holding up with their phones. Here on UB's North Campus, students are split on how they'd rather stay in contact with their friends.
I prefer in-person conversations over text.
Actually, I'd rather talk over text because you could assure that what you sent was like they can't say, oh, you didn't say that, because you could just show proof.
Cummings says basic social exercises like going out to eat with friends and being out where you're comfortable can go a long way for your health. Christy Maria, 7 Eyewitness News.